So in part 2 of the problem, you're asked to post all the journal entries that you did in part 1 to these accounts in the ledger. And first thing you'll need to do though is enter the beginning balances in each of these accounts. And you're given the beginning balance figures up here. And of course your numbers will be different, but you'll put the beginning balances for prepaid insurance, insurance expense, and cash on the debit side, since the normal balance side is the same as the increase side. And for retained earnings, the beginning balance goes on the credit side because we increase retained earnings with credits, and therefore the credit side is the normal balance side. Then you're going to label your journal entries with the numbers. So for example, going back and looking at the first journal entry, that was where the company purchased the prepaid insurance policy, paying cash. So that was journal entry number 1. And therefore I've labeled this debit to prepaid insurance with the number 1. And this credit to cash I've labeled with the number 1 as well. And then here I haven't filled in the amount, but journal entry 2 was preparing the adjusting entry as of the end of 2018. And so I've got the number 2 labeling my debit and credit. And then transaction number 3, and here's the other part of it, transaction 4, and here's the other part of it, and then 5. And you'll notice that these T accounts show 2 years of transactions, which is unusual, which is why I wanted to help you with the format. But they are calculating the ending balances in the accounts as of the end of 2018 here, and then again as of the end of 2019 here. So they're just showing 2 years worth of transactions in these accounts.